Hi there. Welcome back to English Cafe. This is Mamta.
And this is Rakesh.
We are back with another conversation video.
So today's topic is restaurants and eating out.
That's great. Let's begin. What's your first question, Rakesh?
My first question is, do you like to eat out, Mamta?
Yes, I like to eat out.
How often do you eat out?
I mostly eat at home, so I occasionally eat out.
What's your favorite restaurant?
Okay. My favorite restaurant is the Asian Kitchen.
All right. And why do you like it?
I like it because it offers a variety of food and beverages, and the ambience is very cozy.
Oh, all right.
Yes.
Where do you usually go when you eat out, Mamta?
Usually, I go to the food court in a shopping mall near my place whenever I eat out.
Oh, okay. And how much do you usually spend when you eat out?
I usually spend between 1,000 to 2,000 rupees when I eat out.
Who do you usually eat out with?
All right. I usually eat out with my spouse.
When was the last time you went out to eat?
The last time I went out to eat was last weekend.
Oh, okay. Do you like Chinese food?
Yes, I like Chinese food. How about you?
Um, no, not at all.
No? Okay.
What's your favorite cuisine?
My favorite cuisine is Punjabi cuisine.
Eh? And what's your favorite starter?
My favorite starter is green salad.
And what's your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is gajar ka halwa.
Do you know how to order food in English?
Yes, I know how to order food in English.
Do you ever eat at McD?
Yes, I eat at McD sometimes.
Have you ever worked in a restaurant?
No, I have never worked in a restaurant.
Do you ever leave a tip at restaurant?
Yes, I always leave a tip at a restaurant.
How much?
Well, it depends on how much I have spent on the food.
Okay, all right. Do you ever order food online?
Yes, I often order food online.
Do you think eating out is too expensive?
Eating out is definitely more expensive than eating home cooked food.
Do you like eating at buffets?
Yes, I like eating at buffets
Why?
because buffets offer a wide range of food items.
Do you like to try new restaurants?
Yes, I like to try new restaurants.
What type of food do you like eating?
I like eating vegetables and meat the most.
That's all.
Oh, thank you, Rakesh, and thank you, dear viewer. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.
See you in next video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.